Hello everyone. Welcome to Ray Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region English Medium YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn subject EVS Standard 4th lesson number 2, the interrelationship between living things, video number 4. In the last video we learned about the plants and animals satisfy our needs. Now today we are going to learn arboreal animals. Before that I am going to tell you the types of animals. These are the 5 types of animals. These types of animals are based on the characteristics and their nature. First is the aerial animals. Aerial animals, that the animals or birds that fly in the sky. For example, pigeon, sparrow, crow, etc. Second is a amphibian animals. Animals that live in water as well as land are called amphibian animals. For example, frog, snake, crocodile, turtle, etc. Third is the aquatic animals. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. For example, fish, octopus, shark, starfish, etc. Fourth one is terrestrial animals. Animals that living on land. For example, tiger, lion, deer, goat, sheep, etc. Fifth one is arboreal animals, that animals live in trees. For example, monkey, squirrel, chameleons, bees, etc. Now we are going to learn in detail about the arboreal animals. New term is the arboreal animals, that is living in trees. Animals like monkeys and squirrels live on trees. Being at a height, they are better able to defend themselves from their enemies. Besides, they can eat the fruits of the trees to satisfy their hunger. As they move around here and there in the surroundings, they spread the seeds of the fruit they have eaten through their droppings. Because of this, new trees grow in the different places. Birds building their nest on the trees, you can see in the picture. Now an egret rides on a buffalo's back. Children, do you know why the egret rides on a buffalo's back? Yes, now we are going to see here. A certain type of kinds of egret feeds on a different kinds of insects. Grass is full of insects, but because they are hidden in the grass, the egret cannot see them and catch them. As the buffalo treads on the grass, it frightens the insects which fly out of the grass. The egret on the buffalo's back makes no mistakes in swooping down to catch and eat them up. There are 3 seasons in our India, that is the rainy season, winter season and the summer season. Now students, first remember this the point. First is the time period. In a summer season starts from February to May. Rainy season from June to September. And winter season start from October to June. Now how is the weather? In summer season the weather is warm and hot. In rainy season the weather is dark and cloudy and it rains. And in the winter season the weather is cold. Now clothing. Which types of clothes do we use in these seasons? Summer season we used to wear loose cotton clothes. In rainy season we use umbrellas, raincoats and hoods as like these clothes. In winter season we use woolen clothes. Now the winter season. In winter season in Maharashtra is also called the season of Pangar, that is the falling of leaves. Now we are going to see the appearance of environment. In the summer season, trees get new leaves, that is from February to April. Forests appears to have taken a copper color as the leaves are reddish and shiny. When it is tender, the leaves turn green as it grows big. In rainy season, we see black clouds in the sky. It is a dull and gloomy day. In winter season, this is a season of Pangal. Look at the picture. That is the falling of leaves. It starts at late October and ends by mid of November. Now next is the fruit available. Now in summer season, mangoes, watermelons, cashew nut, papayas, grapes, pineapple, guava, these fruits are available. The Konkan region is famous for its juicy and sweet mangoes. In rainy season, jamun, jackfruit, karmandas, lychee, peach, cherries, these fruits are available. And in winter season, lemon, grapefruit, kiwi, strawberries, etc. Mango trees start blossoming at the end of the winter. These blossoms are called mohar in Marathi. Next is the effect on the animals. In summer season, chirping of birds, call of koel we hear. In a rainy season, croaking of frogs. We find snakes, snails, different kinds of insects more during this season, that is a rainy season. There is a greenery everywhere. We can see the beautiful rainbow in the rainy season. Coats of furry animals thicken. Frogs go deep under the ground for a long period of slumber, that is, it lasts for 7 to 8 months. We depend on agriculture for food. The different seasons, summer, winter, and the rainy seasons, are the time for doing different tasks in the field. In summer season, we plug the field. In rainy season, we sow seeds. In winter, harvest the seed. So student, do the understand the concepts and revise at home. Thank you.